Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and beginning the sync. Sign into the same Apple ID on all devices. That ensures a single photo library. Once signed in, open Settings or System Settings and turn on iCloud Photos so uploads begin. Make sure devices are on Wi-Fi and have sufficient iCloud storage. Without space, photos won't upload. While charging or awake, give the library time to upload. Large libraries take hours, so let the initial sync start before moving on. Now focus on the middle steps that control what and how pictures sync. Open Photos and scroll to the bottom to read status messages. Uploading means it's working, paused needs your attention. Decide between optimized storage to save device space or download originals to keep full files. This affects local availability. Also check cellular settings. Enable Photos to use cellular if you need mobile uploads. If a device is in low power mode, syncing may pause, so disable that to resume full transfer. Finish by confirming everything propagated and resolving any hiccups. Open iCloud. Com or another signed device to ensure recent photos show up. That proves successful sync. If items are missing, toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force reindexing, but be careful with downloads before disabling. If problems persist, check Apple system status and sign out, then back into iCloud to refresh connections. A key tip: always back up originals before major changes to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.